Hello, teacher and companions. My name is Diana Marcela Vega. I am studying psychology. I have a lot of plans for the next vacation. I'm going to travel with my mom to Venadillo, a town located in Tolima. We're going to greet my grandfather Arturo, and then we're going to have lunch together. Then we are going to visit my grandmother Beatriz, and we will stay in her house the whole vacation. In the mornings, I'm going to go with my mom to work for the town. In the afternoons, I will swim in the river with my family, and I will speak to them about God. Every night, I'm going to meet my friends in the park to eat ice creams, listen to music, and talk. Thank you. Goodbye.